The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hi children, hope you all are good in health, having healthy food and doing exercise. In the previous class, we learned joining angles, two sides and meeting lines, so on. Today let us learn more about it. Our next topic is crossing lines. Line CD crosses line AB. Okay, here angle COB is equal to 75 degree. We already know this is 180 degree. So here angle AOC and angle COB form a linear pair. Okay, angle COB is equal to 75 degree. How much is angle COA? Angle COA is equal to, we know total 180 degree. So 180 minus 75 is equal to yes 105. 180 degree minus 75 degree is equal to 105 degree. Okay, so angle AOC is equal to 105 degree. Angle COA 105 degree. So how much is angle AOD? Yes, angle AOD is equal to, yes, this angle also 180 degree. So 180 degree minus, yes, 105 degree is equal to 75 degree. So this angle is 75 degree. So here angle COA and angle AOD form a linear pair. Okay, the next one, angle AOD 75 degree. So how much is angle DOB? Angle DOB is equal to, yes, here also 180 degree. So 180 degree minus 75 degree is equal to, yes, 105 degree. Okay, so this is 105 degree. So here angle AOD and angle DOB form a linear pair. Okay, here also 180 degree. Okay, so here angle DOB, DOB and angle BOC, BOC form a linear pair. Okay, here 4 set of linear pairs. Here question is, some pictures showing 2 lines crossing each other are given below. One of the 4 angles so formed is given. Calculate the other 3 and write them in the pictures. Here angle COB is given 45 degree. We know here angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here angle COB is equal to 45 degree. Here we have to find out angle AOC. Here angle AOC is equal to total 180 degree. 180 degree minus 45 is equal to 135 degree. Okay, next. So this is 135 degree. Next one, angle AOC, angle AOC plus angle AOD, AOD is equal to 180 degree. Okay, here we have to find out angle AOD. Okay, so angle AOD is equal to 180 degree minus 135 degree is equal to 45 degree. So angle AOD 45 degree. Okay, next one, angle AOD plus angle DOB, DOB is equal to 180 degree. Here we have to find out angle DOB. Angle DOB is equal to 180 degree minus 45 is equal to 135 degree. So here 135 degree. This symbol is 90 degree angle, means right angle. Okay, 90 degree. So here name MNOP, here X. Okay, so here angle NXP is equal to 90 degree. Here angle NXP plus angle NXO is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle NXO is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. Okay, next one, angle NXO plus angle OXM is equal to 180 degree. So here angle OXM is equal to 180 minus 90 is equal to 90 degree. Here also 90 degree. Next one, angle OXM plus angle MXP. MXP is equal to 180 degree. So, angle MXP is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree is equal to 90 degree. So, this angle also 90 degree. So, each angle is 90 degree. Next topic is near and opposite. Here one figure is given. Here, which are the angles in the figure? Yes, angle AOC. Next one, angle AOD. Angle AOD. Next one, angle DOB. Okay, angle DOB. Then angle BOC. Angle BOC. Okay, here angle BOC, angle BOC and angle COA, angle COA form a linear pair. Next one, angle COA, angle COA and angle AOD and angle AOD form a linear pair. Next one, angle AOD and angle DOB, angle DOB form a another linear pair. Next one, angle DOB, angle DOB and angle BOC, angle BOC form a linear pair. Here linear pairs are nearby angles. Okay, the opposite angles formed by two lines crossing each other are equal. Of the four angles formed by two lines crossing each other, the sum of the nearby angles is 180 degree. The opposite angles are equal. Okay, here question is, the pictures of lines passing through a point are given below. Some of the angles are given. Calculate the other angles marked and write in the figure. Here angle SOR 40 degree, angle TOC 90 degree. This is a symbol of 90 degree angle. So this is 90 degree angle. So we know this is 180 degree angle. Here we have to find out angle TOS. Angle TOS is equal to 90 plus 40, 90 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 130 degree. So angle TOS is equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. Okay, so this angle is 50 degree. Okay, so here 90 degree means opposite angle also 90 degree. So angle ROQ 90 degree. Angle ROQ is equal to 90 degree. Okay, next one SOR. is 40 degree. The opposite angle UOP. So this also 40 degree. So angle UOP is equal to 40 degree. Next one, angle TOS 50 degree. Opposite angle POQ. So opposite angle also same 50 degree. So angle POQ is equal to 50 degree. Okay. Okay children, that's all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new chapter. Do practice well. Thank you.